Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can save WhatsApp contacts in bulk. It's no more news that selling on WhatsApp is a gold mine. Okay, everybody has now realized the opportunity in WhatsApp marketing, and everybody is rushing into WhatsApp marketing, which is very, very true. All right, but one of the downsides of selling on WhatsApp is the hard work involved. Most times you have to do a lot of things manually. You have to respond to messages individually. You have to post status manually. You have to save contacts manually, and all of that. All right, that's one of the things that make selling on WhatsApp unique. Okay, because somebody has to be involved. All right, but it will be far better if there's a way to reduce the labor, okay, so that you have time to give attention to other parts of your business. All right, and that's why I'm creating this video, to make your marketing on WhatsApp easier for you. All right, that time you spend trying to save contacts one after the other, you can just save all of them at once. Okay, even if there are 1,000 or 10,000 contacts, you will not need to start saving each of them one after the other again. With the steps that I will show you in this video, you can just bulk save everything instantly, and then within seconds you have your customers' contacts saved. Okay, and why do we save people's contacts when it comes to selling on WhatsApp? That's because you want them to see your status. Okay, the goal of everybody marketing on WhatsApp is to increase their WhatsApp list. Okay, people who view their status. Okay, that's what you want to achieve. All right, and this video will help you by reducing the time and the effort you spend trying to save people's contact. Okay, as an internet marketer, there are a lot of things you need to do. So as much as possible, you don't want to spend a lot of time doing some things that you can actually just do easily. Okay, so in this video, I'll take you through 3 simple steps. Step 1, we'll create our opt-in form. Step 2, we'll download the application we use for saving the contact. And then step 3, with just one click, you have all the contacts saved. All right, so now here is how it works. First, you create an opt-in form. I'm going to show you how to do that practically in this video. Just stay with me and watch till the end. All right, so you create an opt-in form. Now this opt-in form is to help you collect your customers' data or your audience data. All right, so before they come, maybe you are offering them a lead magnet, a free ebook, a free webinar, a free training, just so that they can give you their contact details in exchange. All right, but before they get what you want to give them, you want to ensure that they fill in the opt-in form that we are going to create. Okay, so let's say you are running an ad from Facebook. What you want to do is, once they click on the ad from Facebook, the link that they'll click on should bring them to this opt-in form that we're going to create here. So more like this opt-in form would be your landing page. All right, so once they fill the form, they have access to whatever you're offering them, whether it's a free WhatsApp training or an ebook or a webinar. They have access to it. All right, so what you should do next, after they have filled the form, you want to ensure that they save your contact. Usually what should happen is, once they fill this form and then they click submit, you want to have your autoresponder ready to respond to them. Now, if you don't know how to set up autoresponders, I created a video on my channel here some time ago that will show you how to automate your WhatsApp messages. Okay, that will also make your selling on WhatsApp very, very, very easy. All right, so once they click submit the form, there should be a redirect link that will bring them into your inbox, and then when they land into your inbox, there should be an autoresponder. Your autoresponder should be ready. So once they land into your inbox, they will come in with a custom message. Okay, I treated all of that in this video, how to create a custom message, how to create a custom WhatsApp URL, and all of that. Okay, so once they land on your WhatsApp with the custom message, your autoresponder will respond to them automatically. Okay, and the response will be like, hey, you're welcome, I am Emmanuel, and so good to have you. Please ensure you save my contact. Once you save my contact, click done, and then you get the freebie. Okay, so you want to ensure they save your contact, and that's because if they don't save your contact, they are not going to be seeing your status. Okay, which is where majority of your marketing will be happening. Okay, so that's why this form is important. All right, so then we'll download the application we use to save the contact, and then after that, everything is just a click away. Okay, so if this is your first time of seeing me on YouTube, on this channel, I share videos with you that will help you make money online. All right, so ensure you subscribe to this channel before you go, and also turn on notifications so that whenever I upload a money making video like this, YouTube is going to notify you. All right, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like on it before you go, and then if you have questions, if you have comments, drop them down below in the comments. I'll be there to attend to you. All right, with all that said, let's get into my phone screen. Right, so the first thing we want to do is to create a custom WhatsApp link. All right, so you realize the importance of this link as we proceed in this tutorial. Okay, so to create a custom WhatsApp link, come to WhatsApp link generator. All right, here it is. Okay, when you scroll down to postcron.com, okay, here what we'll do is we'll create a custom message so that whoever submits that form, the opt-in form that we're going to create, they will land in our WhatsApp inbox with the custom message we're going to create here. All right, so what we want to do here is to create a link. Okay, so all you just have to do is you click on create link now. All right, so I'm just going to click that. Then here you want to add your phone number with your country code. Okay, so that's 2347030274879. All right, so here is the place where you enter your custom message. All right, so it could go like, hi, Emmanuel, I want to attend your WhatsApp training on whatever. All right, so once you've entered the custom message, you will now click on get link. Okay, so you just copy this link. All right, so you will want to shorten this link. Let's use tinyurl.com to shorten the link. Okay, this is just to make the link look neat. Okay, so let's just paste it here and then make tinyurl. All right, so this the redirect link that we're going to be using. Okay, so once they click on that link, they'll be redirected to my WhatsApp inbox with that message. Okay, so what I'll do from there is to set up an autoresponder for the custom message I just created. All right, so you get the point. Then once you've gotten your link, the next thing you want to do is to create the form proper. All right, just come to cognitoforms.com. All right, so just come to cognitoforms.com. This is the tool we are going to use to create our form. All right, so what you want to do here, build a contact form, registration form, and all of that. All right, so what you just want to do is to sign up. All right, you just come here and sign up. Here is the sign up button over here. All right, you just sign up. Signing up is free. All right, so sign up. You can sign up with your Google account, your Facebook account, or with your email address. All right, but I already have an account, so I will just log into let me show you the sign up process very quickly. So once you come here, you can choose to sign up with your Google account, your Facebook account, or your email account. All right, so if I choose email account, for instance, you can see here all you just have to do is to fill in your name, your email address, your organization name. You can just enter your name, you create a password, and then you click on agree to their terms. All right, so that is very simple. Once you click that, your account will be created. All right, I already have an account, so I will just log in. All right, so here I'll just log in. I created my Cognito Forms account with my Google account, so I'll log in my Google account here. So I'll just select the account I used right here. All right, so this is what your home page will look like. These are the forms I've created before. If you've not created any form, this place will be blank. All right, so what you want to do is to click on this plus icon here. You can see this plus icon down here. All right, so here you can decide to pick a template or start building from scratch. All right, so depending on what you want, let's say you want to start building from scratch, let's just pick that. So here, as you can see, you can decide to title your form. So let me just say the title of this form is YouTube example. All right, so let's say YouTube example. You can add a description for your form. All right, so right now this is what we have. As you can see what the page looks like. Country, you can just come here and change your country to Nigeria. Now the importance of changing it to Nigeria is so that when you are collecting people's phone number, the format will be the Nigerian format. Okay, so you know phone number formats differ according to regions. Okay, so here you just select your country wherever you are, you put your country there. Yes, it works everywhere in the world. Okay, so what we want to do here is to add our first space. Okay, so just click on this plus icon here. What will happen, by the left side of your phone, of your screen, you see the options for whatever you want to add. Okay, so let's say the first thing normally is the name, so I'll just select name. Okay, so as you can see, we have first name and last name. All right, sorry, so you have first name and last name. Then you can edit a lot of things around the name. Okay, you can edit the label. Let's say you want to enter your name as our label. Enter name. So as you can see here, the title on top here, the title at the top here will change to enter name. All right, but usually the name alone is okay. Okay, so let's just leave it as name. So leave the title there as name. All right, so as you can see all these options here, you can cut, copy, delete, insert field, whatever you want to do. All right, so let's say we are done with the name aspect. The next thing I want to do again is to click on this plus icon. All right, you can see this plus icon here, is to click on it. Then you can choose whatever you want to add. Is it a text box, is it name, choice, options, address, phone number, whatever. All right, so WhatsApp, basically what you want to get is your phone numbers. All right, to collect the phone number, I would rather use text box. Okay, text box works fine, because if you use, there's an option for phone number, but format issues, you might have issues with the formatting, their own format for phone numbers, and the format you want to save your phone numbers in. So I just use text box, then I change the label to phone number. All right, so here is what we have right now. No, I'm not leaving. All right, so we have phone number here, we have name, we have phone number. All right, so you can add as many details as you want. Okay, you can create any type of form you want with this tool. Okay, so let's say I just need the name and the phone number. All right, so here the next thing you want to do is to click on this submit section. So under the submit section, you can change the label of the button. I can just change it to join training now, or whatever you want to turn it to. Okay, that's what your submit button will appear as. Okay, so as you can see that from here. All right, so I'm not done with the submit button. So instead of this text here, now if they submit the form, this is the text that your customers or audience will see. All right, once they submit the form, but I don't want them to see any text. Once they submit the form, I want them to land in my inbox. Okay, so I'll just paste the link we just created. Okay, remember this is a custom link we just created. So once they submit the form, they'll be redirected to my WhatsApp inbox straight up. All right, so once we are done with that, we can just click on save. Then you can preview what your form will look like. All right, so this is what our form is going to look like. All right, then I would like to add description to the form. Okay, so let's say I can just write anything here. Hi, kindly fill the form below to gain access to the training. Okay, here you just describe what you want them to do, or maybe what they're going to get, or whatever. Okay, just write a description to inform the people who are filling the form what you want them to do, or what they are going to get, the benefit they are going to get by filling this form. Okay, so right now, if we preview this form now, so as you can see, that description will appear here right now. Okay, so you want to be as detailed with your description as possible. All right, so once you are done with creating all the space you want, what you want to do next is to come over here. All right, click on this drop down icon and then click on publish. All right, so you currently have on save changes, just save changes. All right, and then your form will be published right away. All right, so once your form is published successfully, this is what your form is going to look like, and then this is the link to the form. Okay, so this is a link you use for your promotions, for your advertisements, and whatever, wherever you are bringing people from to fill the form. This is the link you are going to use. All right, so I'll just click it to copy. Okay, so I have it there on my clipboard right now. Now that I've created our form, the next thing for us to do is to download the application we're going to use to save the contact. All right, so all you just have to do is to come to your Play Store. Okay, just come to your Play Store or App Store and download. The name of the application is Contact to VSL. Okay, so let me just search for it. Contact. All right, Contact. So as you can see the name right here. Okay, Contact to VCF, SL, XS, PDF, CSV, blah blah blah. All right, so all you just have to do, and here it is right here. Okay, this one in particular, this is the one I use. You can just download it, all right, and install to your phone. I already have it installed, so I'll just open it and show you what it looks like and how you can start saving contact with it. All right, so this is what the application looks like. Okay, by the way, let me go back to Cognito Forms. Let me show you something very important. All right, so now once people fill the form, to see their details, what you need to do is, okay, let me use a form. Okay, let me use this. All right, so once they have filled your form, you just click on this drop down again. All right, click on a drop down and then you click on entries. Okay, now these entries, this is where you see all the details of people who have filled the form. All right, so what we want to do is to export our contact. All right, we'll export our contact. Okay, so to do that, this is all the people who should have filled your form by now, even if there are 1,000 of them, 500 of them, 2,000 of them. All right, so you want to just click on this check button to select all. All right, and if you are just selecting a portion of it, you just select that particular portion. But right now I want to select everything. All right, so I'll just click on select all. Once you've done this, the next thing you want to do is to click on actions. All right, if you click on actions, you see different options here. So the option we are going for is export. All right, so I'll just click on export. So export selection, that means the part we've selected. Right now we've selected everything, so I'll just click export selection. All right, so you just export, and then the file will be saved to your phone in XLSX format. All right, so this is the time we will now come back to the contact to VSF app. Okay, so once you are here, what this contact, this is where the actual saving of the numbers happen. Okay, so what you want to do here is to click on import contact. If you click on import contact, let me just close this ad. All right, so it will bring out all the file formats that are all the files in your phone that are in XLSS format. Okay, so let me just click on select file to pick the file. So right now this is the one I just exported from Optin Forms. All right, so this is the one I just exported from Optin Forms. All right, so you just select it. So the steps is very simple, guys. Create the form, get people to fill the form. Once they fill the form, go to entries in your Optin Form, export the contact. The contact will be downloaded to your phone in XLSS format. Once you've done that, you want to come to contact to VSF, select the file. All right, so you want to click the part of the contact that you want saved. All right, so I'll just select this. All right, so what and what do you want to save from? You know, when building your form, you have the name section, you have the phone number section. So I'll just select name. So I want this application to pick the name column for me and save it as your names. Then I'll come to mobile. I want the application to pick the phone number. Remember, we label the phone number space as phone number, so I want it to pick the phone number column as their phone numbers. All right, so with just one click, guys, no matter the number of contacts, all will be saved to your phone instantly. All I have to do here is to click on import now. So right now there are 58 of them. So as simple as this, all the 58 of them have been saved instantly, guys. No manual labor here. Very, very easy. So that's how you can save contact in bulk on your phone. Okay, 3 simple steps. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something. If you learned anything, let me know in the comment, and thanks for watching to the end. Don't forget to drop a like before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next video.